Atas nama Polres Aceh Barat, kami menyambut baik dilaksanakan survei akreditasi pada FKTP Klinik Polres Aceh Barat oleh Komite Akreditasi Kesehatan Pratama atau KAKP.
Could it be the timing or the wrong place? Getting sick of hearing you say always. Show a little effort and that's all it takes. How could I feel safe with a city down? All the nights I pray you would be around. No, please don't go. Said that it was never your fault, who was keeping count? Guess that I thought it would even out. Now I know we never last like cheap cologne. Last like cheap cologne.